students. Today we will start chapter 4, practical geometry. Okay. So name of this chapter is practical geometry. That means we have to understand that this chapter is related to practical and have geometrical part. Okay. So in last classes you all learn about the practical about the triangles, no? In class 7th. So we for constructing a triangle we required three measurements. Okay, then we can easily construct a triangle. But in this chapter there is some figure of quadrilateral. That means you all understand that in this chapter we have to learn about the construction of quadrilateral. So there is four type of sides in a quadrilateral, we all know that. Okay, but one thing is there we have to learn about is four side is given, then it is sufficient to draw a quadrilateral or not. Okay, so we have four sides of a quadrilateral and we have to draw quadrilateral. So there is some practicals about this and we have to do this by activity. So this activity is, first one is there, take a pair of stick of equal lengths, say 10 centimeter. Suppose we taken two sticks of 10 centimeter and take another pair of stick of equal length, say 8 centimeter. That means we taking four sticks such as 10 centimeter, two of 10 centimeter and two of 8 centimeter. That means pair of 8 centimeter and pair of 10 centimeter. Now uh, uh, construct by this four, you have to make the four side like that. So firstly we have to understand what is quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is a closed shape. Now firstly we have to say that understand that quadrilateral is a closed shape. That means no sides is open, all sides are bounded, they will connected with each other and ये सिंपल बाउंडेड शेप होगा. ओके, सिंपली ये बाउंडेड शेप होगा तब ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल होगा. और इसके कितने साइड्स होंगे? फोर साइड्स होंगे. सो सिंपल क्लोज्ड फिगर विच इज यूनिक एंड हैव फोर साइड्स, then it is said to be quadrilateral. Okay, now if we hang these four sides by that kind of matter, firstly by 10 centimeter, taking two pair of sticks, and first pair of 10 centimeter we are putting like that and make suitable this diagram. That means 8 centimeters are opposite to each other and 10 centimeters are opposite to each other, then it is a quadrilateral. Okay, but now we have one more shape there. This also have 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. There is 8 and 8, there is 10 and there is 10. So you can say that all these four sides are equal of these and these, and also in this diagram also, no? But if all the sides are equal, then it is unique, everyone is unique. No, because if you push this triangle into right hand side direction, then you got this, and if you push this quadrilateral into left hand side, then you will get this. That means uniqueness is not there, no? So in practical we just say that we need more things to complete a quadrilateral. So I am taking this in next page. Okay, now see, we have concluded constructed a rectangle with two sticks each of length 10 centimeter and other have two sticks each of length 8 centimeter. Now we have to take one more stick of any kind of length. Suppose this there is a BD and we have to put in the triangles. First triangle, suppose that first triangle is this one now, which we learn about the previous page. These two sides are of 10 centimeter and another two sides are of 8 centimeter. So this side is also 8 centimeter. But if we doing in same manner, we can get different kind of quadrilaterals in different shapes. Suppose this is also a 10, 10 and 8 and 8. Both have same sides, no? And but both are similar to each other, no? That means we have to take some more side to get the uniqueness of every quadrilateral. So we are taking another side BD to get uniqueness in every triangle. So BD is tied to along with BD in figure 4.4. You can easily see that. Does the shape change? Now you can, if you putting in pushing by left hand side or right hand side, it is changing its direction. No, it is unique. It is always by the shape with this, because this side giving it a uniqueness, na? So in this chapter we have conclude that startingly in triangle only three side we have to need, or two side one angle is sufficient to construct a triangle. Okay, but for the quadrilateral it is not sufficient to get only four side to get a unique quadrilateral. By three sides, or two side one angle, or two angle one side, you can get unique triangle. Okay, but for the quadrilateral you need that four side plus one more side or one more angle or anything. That means you need five things to construct a complete quadrilateral, which we have concluded by the above activity. Okay. So now you have an activity there, and activity is of there. Arshad have five measurement of a quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, अरशद जो है उसके पास ABCD क्वाड्रिलेटरल के फाइव मेजर हैं. दीज आर ऑफ AB इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर, एंगल A इक्वल टू 50 डिग्री, AC इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर, BD इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड ED इक्वल टू 6 सेंटीमीटर. Can he construct a unique quadrilateral or not? Give reason of your answer, because now he have how much measurements? Five measurements, no? So you have to tell that by your own practical that you have done in this activity. So you have to tell that is it sufficient to construct a unique quadrilateral or not. Okay, so this is your homework to do this and give your answer by your own words. And from tomorrow we will start the constructing a quadrilateral. Now we have to construct quadrilateral by the given sides. So first one is when four sides and one diagonal are given. When four side and one diagonal are given, this one, na, first. Second, you have to see when first four sides and another one diagonal are given. Second thing, when two diagonal and three sides are given, that means two diagonal plus three sides, that means 5. Okay, there is also 5. And when two adjacent side and three angles are given, two adjacent sides and three angles are given, that means there is also 5. When three sides and two included angles are given, that means there is also 5. When other special properties, so this is the special properties. About this we will learn after these four topics. So firstly we have to construct quadrilateral by these four criterias which we have. When four sides and one diagonals are given, when two diagonals and three sides are given, when two adjacent sides and three angles are given, when three sides and two included angles are given. By these four we will do construction. So there is one example when the length of four side and a diagonal are given. So check this example by your own. This is in your reference book. This is in your reference books, page number 58. Do this example by your own. If you face any difficulty, then get back to me. From tomorrow we will start exercise 4.1. Okay, thank you.